This video tutorial I will explain Kafka Producer in Java. Producers publish message to the topics, and the producer can choose particular topic and publish messages to the particular topic. In reality, messages are published to the topic partition. Here you can see the Kafka broker. It has one topic, and this topic has three partitions: partition 0, partition 1, and partition 2. Here you can see the producer. The producer generate the messages and publish messages to these partitions in random manner. To send messages to the Kafka server, the producer needs some configuration. The first one is bootstrap servers, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number. And the second one is topic, which is nothing but the topic name and the details about the topic. And the third one is value serializer. This is needed so that the value can be serialized before it goes to the network. Here you can see the Kafka broker. It has only one topic, and this topic has only one partition, which is partition 0. Here you can see the producer. Suppose say this producer send 100 messages to this particular topic, then all the messages will be saved in this partition 0. We will write a Java program and we will see how it works. Here I have defined the class Kafka Producer Demo. Here I have defined the topic name as animal topic. Inside main method, I am creating a properties object, and in properties object, I am setting producer configurations like bootstrap server config, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number, and key serializer class config, and value serializer class config. Here I am creating a Kafka Producer object using a Kafka Producer constructor which accept properties object. Then I am calling get animal list method. This method returns a list of animal names. Using for each loop, I am getting each animal name from animal list and sending this animal name to animal topic. Here I am creating a producer record object. In producer record constructor, I am passing a topic name, which is animal topic, and the animal name. Then I am calling a send method of producer object, passing a producer record and the callback method. Once animal name is successfully published to animal topic, this callback method will be called, and from record metadata, I am getting in which topic, which partition, in which offset, on what timestamp the particular animal name is published. That I am printing here. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server, then Kafka server. After that, I am going to create animal topic with one partition. Zookeeper server has been started. Kafka server is started. And animal topic has been created with one partition. Now I am going to run this Kafka Producer demo application. Here you can see the animal name dog is published to animal topic partition 0 and in offset 0, and animal name lion is published to animal topic partition 0 offset 1, and animal name tiger is published to animal topic partition 0 offset 2. So like that all the animal names are published to animal topic and partition 0 because only one partition is there.
You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.